Okay, here we are with a clogged toilet, and we're going to try to plunge it, but the one trick I have to tell you about plunging a toilet is we take the plunger, we get all the air out of it we can first. We push it down all the way real good, see more air is coming out of it, and we're going to make our money, you better stand back, we're going to make our money on the pull, not on the push. So we wheel it in there and we pull. And then we do that again. We put it back in there, we put it down, we get the air out, and we pull. And whatever the clog is, we've pulled it back to release it, and it'll go. Occasionally, I got to go postal, where I just take the toilet plunger, and I just beat it up a bit. And then it's the pull. Beat it up, pull back, and then whoo, it should either break free or not. The other thing you can do when you're doing this is, again, having that bucket of water. Rather than flushing the toilet and taking the chance of that tank overflowing the tank, you flush the bowl with the bucket of water. That way when you're doing this, you can stop at any particular time as you're pouring the water in, and you won't overflow the bowl.